Pretzel. Where are you? Come here. Come here. Say hi to the vlog. This is Pretzel, rescue dog. We got her when she was about 2 years old, and because she looks like a pretzel when she curls up, we gave her the name Pretzel. So welcome to the vlog. Today we're tackling a lawnmower issue. I have a John Deere riding lawnmower, and looks like the mowing deck bracket slipped off and bent when I was reversing. So we're gonna, Pretzel, you gonna help? We're gonna get this fixed, hopefully, and figure it out. I also have a chainsaw that I used this past weekend that also needs work. Looks like maybe a clogged up fuel filter. I'm not sure on that one, but this past week has been amazing. Pretty much every power tool or equipment that's gasoline powered I used, it broke or needed maintenance. So it's been a fun ride. Okay, mower works again, and also the bracket is secure. What caused all that was the safety pin here was left out last year when I serviced the mower deck. I took it down and had to replace some parts. Oh, we had a steering problem. I had to go up here and work on the steering and put the bracket in, but lost or forgot this safety pin, which I did not have. So I used a nail, pinned it over, and it works just fine. So not official, but does the job just like any other safety pin would do that's store-bought. Alright, this is it for today's video. I just want to say that these are not tutorials. This is just showing how I fix a problem, in this case the bracket. I grew up on a farm in Germany. My dad used to be a master mechanic for farming equipment, so I grew up around him fixing large equipment, John Deere's, Fence, Deutz-Fahr, all this stuff, plows, you name it, harvesters, whatever. And we also were poor, so his first go-to instinct was always, how can I fix what I already have instead of buying new. So obviously you can go online and buy this bracket brand new, slap it in there, and it will be just fine. In my case, I bend it back in place. You can see on the thread it kind of had a little bump in there, and I tested it out. It works just fine, and I would guess that bracket is at least 60 bucks plus shipping. So in this case it was free. So just want to point that out so you don't have to rip me apart in the comment section, but do leave a comment, a positive one if possible, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
What?